Welcome to our channel where we bring to you to the places that inspire us. In this video we bring you to show the heartwarming features of Karnal Railway Station, which has been made accessible for people with disabilities by Anuprayaas in association with Standard Chartered Bank and Enable India. We take a tour of the station to see the various measures that have been taken to make it more accessible for everyone. From the installation of Braille Maps, booklets, and signs to water booth signs, platform indicators, and portable ramps, Karnal Railway Station is now made inclusive for all. The impact of these measures is evident as we see people with disabilities using the facilities with ease and boarding trains confidently. This is truly a remarkable achievement that deserves recognition and applause. With the vision of making all public spaces in India accessible for people with disabilities. Also, the collaboration with Standard Chartered Bank and Enable India and how their support has been crucial in making this project a success. We invite you to be a part of this mission by collaborating with us. Let us work together to make India a more inclusive and accessible country for everyone. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more such stories of hope and inspiration. Thank you for watching.